why business owners and self-employed professionals buy life insurance. Today I'm going to talk about estate equalization. Do you know a dysfunctional family? Sadly, these are the people who will deal with your stuff when you're gone. And that includes your business, whether it is big or small. Set up the transition to the next generation properly, and your business keeps growing far beyond your expectations, and you create a warm family harmony forever. Set it up wrong, and the business can disappear in one generation despite all your hard work, and it can be family disharmony forever. Can you imagine a legacy of family feuding? Who wants to leave that kind of a mess for their kids and grandkids? While they say it's not about the money, it usually is. So I work hard to help you equalize your estate and avoid the problem. That way, everyone is happy with the transition and jealousy is minimized. Would you feel better knowing that you figured it out well in advance so you can enjoy your work and your retirement? If you want to create a structure in your family to ensure that the people you love don't grow from disharmony to dysfunction, call me. I can help you with that. I'm Gakhar. Thank you.